something that I see all the time. The shapeless outfit. I think, you know, a cozy knit and a pair of relaxed trousers is a great option for comfort and for practicality. But you have to be careful that this combination might not have much shape, so it's not really our bestest friend. When you combine a loose knit, and especially quite a coarse woven knit like this one, with a pair of wide trousers and all in a similar colour, especially a bit of a dull neutral, you know, you lose the structure, you lose the balance of the outfit. The fabric just sort of hangs, and we tend to get lost underneath all of that. So let's style it up a bit using exactly the same items, no change, but with a few tweaks, because they're really cozy and comfy, these items, but this fix will really solve those shapeless issues. So this is where we make comfort really work for us. By adding structure, it transformed this look from shapeless to something much more stylish and much more flattering. Now I've created shape, I've created contrast and interest too here in very simple ways. By adding a crisp white shirt underneath the oversized sweater, I've added some light to the face and some structure to my body, as the sweater's now sitting on a shape rather than just hanging. It's a great little technique to show the collar of the shirt, the cuffs, the bottom of the hem underneath the sweater too. It lifts it and it creates interest too. And then I popped on some fairly, you know, good size earrings to lift the top of the look, and to add even more structure, I've added a cuff. Now this emphasizes the slimmer part of the arms, the end of the arms, which also helps with the shape. Now I've created, importantly here, even more shape by pulling in the sweater just a bit by attaching a brooch. Now this is really well priced from Amazon, but I wanted a minimalist look like this, but of course you could use a brooch that you already have. Now if you prefer, you could add a belt instead, but if you didn't want that much of a tight waist, this sort of little hack really works well, and it looks pretty too. Now I've also added a bit of extra interest by wearing these snake print shoes instead of the plain beige ballet flats. So overall, I think this look is the same oversized clothes. If you love that, that's great. But it's much more interesting now, and we've got shape back without tightness. It's not about being tight, it's just about creating balance. You know, this is exactly what I love sharing here on my channel. Simple ways to feel more put together, bit more confident, and just that little bit more fabulous every day. And if you've enjoyed this video, I'd absolutely love to have you join me here as a subscriber. And please do hit that like button if you've liked it too. So I really look forward to seeing you again. Have an amazing day, amazing week. Lots of love. Bye.